Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today it's a very kind of short video. We're gonna clean the interior of this helmet, but we're gonna use this product here, Liqui Moly. This is helmet interior cleaner, okay? And also I'm gonna put this one, the visor cleaner, okay? They are really good products. I did a launch or a relaunch of a store a few days ago or a few weeks ago here in Portugal, where Liqui Moly was present, and they cleaned the outside of my helmet with the products. They didn't clean the inside because, this being a foam and a spray and everything, it does a good job, but it leaves the interior of the helmet wet, so it needs time to dry. That's why I do recommend, if you want to clean the interior, you do it from one day to the other. You don't clean it and put the helmet on your head, because it will be wet. It has a really nice smell, but you have to let it dissolve a little bit in order to make it more comfortable. About the product, it's super easy to use, guys, okay? We just shake the can, like every can. Just have to shake it. Turn your helmet to the way you want and apply the foam, just like this. Yes, leave it, don't worry about the color and everything, just let it work. I'm just gonna clean here the microphone just really fast, like that, okay? Put foam wherever you want to clean. Again, a little bit more here. It is working. You leave it for a couple of minutes while this foam goes away, and then simply use paper towels or a cloth, whatever you want to clean it. I'm going to use paper towels to clean everything. Then I will do the same with the visor cleaner. Nothing to do, just shake this bottle, spray it on the visor, and use the same towel to clean. And the visor cleaner is good. Besides being a cleaner, it's also good for the rain. It protects you from the rain. The drops fall and they don't stay in the visor. They are really good products from Liqui Moly. Just let me put them here. Just a little bit of publicity. Maybe they can start working with me in the future. I don't know. I'll try. So after that, just clean and leave it one day. Do this in a place where it is open, okay? Don't do this inside a room or all this thing, because being a product, of course, it has smells, and it's better to have this open place here. I'm in my balcony, but I have the windows here wide open to my side, so the smell is going away, which is not, like I said, it's not a bad smell, but again, it's still a product. Having said this, guys, I really hope that you like this presentation of these Liqui Moly products. The helmet interior cleaner, the visor, it's simple. I'm not gonna exemplify because it's a simple product. If you like, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!